Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can check your mouse DPI on Windows 11. First thing you want to do is search for settings, and then you want to search mouse settings right over here, and then you see additional mouse settings. You want to click on this one and then go to pointer options. Make sure this is unticked and this is set to the 6th option. Hit on apply and then OK. After that, what we're going to do is go to Google. We're going to search for something called DPI analyzer, and then this is the first thing that comes up. Now what we need to do is two things. First, we're gonna put the unit. Do you want it to be inch or centimeter? Next up, we need something called a target distance. So let's say we're gonna do 5 as our target distance. Now what you need to do is actually get a ruler. Okay, you want to set your mouse to where it says 0 on the ruler, and then click on this and slowly drag it across 5 centimeter on your on your ruler, and then your actual DPI, which is mine around 800 and actual counts is 1600. So this would be your DPI, actual DPI, which is 812, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.